Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use a data entry form in Excel to enter data into a table database efficiently. This is a great way to streamline your data entry process and ensure accuracy. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a data entry form is and why it's useful. A data entry form allows you to input data into a table in a structured and user-friendly way. This can help reduce errors and save time, especially when dealing with large datasets. So as you can see here, when I click anywhere on the table, then click Form, here is a form displayed. Click on New to enter a new entry. For example, look 30, anything, .com, and phone number anything. Then new data saved on the table. Okay, so let's dive in. So first of all, open Excel and create a new workbook. Then create a table with headers for the data you want to collect. So let's create another table. Name, age, email, and phone number. Right? Select all, then all borders. Now convert your data range into a table by selecting the range and pressing Ctrl T. As you can see here, make sure to check my table has headers option. Then OK. You can choose any table that you want from here. For example, this one. Let's adjust the table. Select all, go to Home tab, then Summer. OK. Now right click on the ribbon and select Customize ribbon. In the Excel option dialog box, select all command. Scroll down and find form command. Scroll down until F. Form. Here is the form. Click on the form, then click add to add it to the menu. Right? For me, I have added the form before. Okay. Or just create a new tab, then click OK. So, how to use data entry form? Select any cell within your table, then click Form. As you can see here, you can add any data. New, saved on the table. Okay, here are some additional tips to make the most out of your data entry form. Use the Find Preview and Find Text button to navigate through existing records. Use the criteria button to search for specific records based on a certain criteria. Okay, customize the form by adding validation rules to your table to ensure data accuracy. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial on how to use data entry form in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.